let's talk over how to find items to check out from the library's catalog. Start by going to oconomowoclibrary.org. Then scroll down until you see the blue library catalog icon. Click there and then start searching. I'm going to go here in this search bar and simply enter a book series I'm interested in. I'd like to read a Dog Man book today. All right, then I can scroll down. Wait a minute, look what I saw. There are 1,863 Dog Man books available in the Bridges Library System, which is all the public libraries in Waukesha and Jefferson County. I'm going to narrow that down a little bit. I would like something that I can check out today, so I'm going to click Available Now. If I had a little bit of time to wait, I could leave this box unchecked, and if every copy of a book that I wanted was checked out, I could place a hold and have it sent over to me when it's available. But I'd like something to take home today, and I'm at the Oconomowoc Public Library, so I'll check this box as well. I'll scroll down further and say, as much as I love audiobooks and DVDs, I think I would like to get a book today. Now let's see what we have. Ah, great, the book that I want, Lord of the Fleas, is available. So I can either kind of hover over the cover and scroll down a bit to find out where to look for the book. It's in the J graphic novel collection for juvenile graphic novels. Or I can go over here to Where Is It? To find out more about where it is. If you ever can't find an item, feel free to ask someone at the library to help you. We are always happy to help. I can also say, I would like to place a hold. Then I would just click here or here, and I would place the hold like this. Since I chose one-click hold, the process went really quickly. But if I needed to do a few more details in my hold request, I would click Place a Hold. Let's say I really want to read A Tale of Two Kitties, but I'm not quite ready to get it yet. And I'd like to pick it up at a different library because I know I'm going to be visiting my grandma. Well, what I'll do is I'll choose, I'm going to pick up this book at the Waukesha Public Library, and I'm going to wait a few weeks. I'm going to give myself 2 weeks until my hold goes live, and then I submit my request. Later, when the book is available, the library will let me know. I can be notified by text message, telephone call, or email, and I can change those preferences anytime by getting in touch with the library. This is just a really quick look at some ways to search the library catalog, but there are many more. Feel free to go to the library's catalog and poke around a bit and get to know it. And again, if you ever need any help, please let us know. We are always happy to help.